Hello, welcome back to my channel Cam Solution. Welcome all. Today I am back with my new video. So after a long time, so uh, today the video is about limiting reagent class 11th. So let's start. It is the important part of class 11th. NEET JEE and IIT also. So please be with me at the end of the video. Let's start. Keep a thumbnail. Let's start. Okay. First of all, what is the limiting reagent? Let's consider a reaction. Okay, in a reaction, that much reactant which is consumed first, that is known as limiting reagent. Which stops the reaction, that is known as limiting reagent. Okay, is a substance that is totally consumed when a chemical reaction is complete. Take a basic example: A plus B gives C. Here 5 moles of A is given, and here 3 moles of B is given. Now 5 moles will react with 3 mole, and here 2 moles will left and 3 moles is consumed. So B will be the limiting agent and A will be the excess reagent. Okay, this is the difference between limiting reagent and excess reagent. It is consumed and it is left behind. Okay, one more thing, that after formation of limiting reagent, product formation also stops. So how much product will form is depend on the limiting agent only. Clear? So let me explain you one more example. I am reading the question. 5 mole of A reacts with 20 mole of B. Calculate the number of moles of C formed. Reaction is given: A 5 moles, B is given to 20 moles. Okay, we have to find how much C is formed. So easy example to find limiting agent is, you have to divide number of moles with which is the stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, coefficient. This is the formula of finding limiting agent. Okay, so of A we'll find number of moles 5 upon what is the stoichiometric coefficient 1. Believe it? 5. Okay, for B how many moles? 20 moles are given, and what is the stoichiometric coefficient 2. It will become 10. So 5 is the lesser number. It will be the limiting reagent and B will be the excess reagent. Okay, this will be the concept. So how much C will be formed will depend on the limiting agent A. So find out the C number of moles of A upon what is the stoichiometric coefficient of A, that is 1, is equal to, and if we have to find out the number of moles of C, which what is the stoichiometric coefficient 1. Okay, so 5 upon 1 is equal to NC upon 1. So NC value will come 5 mole. C will form 5 moles. Okay, so this is the basic concept of limiting agent. Next, there are difference between limiting agent and excess reagent. What is the main difference? Limiting agent limits the formation of the product. Okay, and excess reagent is present in excess in the mixture. Second one, completely consumed during reaction. It is not completely consumed during reaction. Excess reagent. Third point, not present at the end of the reaction. Some amount is present at the end of the reaction. Okay, so remember this: excess reagent means that left behind. Okay, limits the amount of product that is formed from the reaction. It limits the product, and excess reagent has no effect on the product form. Clear? So when to apply the concept of limiting agent, you have to understand that first there are two reactants to be present. Minimum two reactants should be there. Then also we can apply the concept of limiting reagent. Okay, product is formed on the basis of limiting reagent only. Let me take one more example. 2A plus 3B gives 4C plus D. Okay, here 3 moles are given, and here of B 4 moles is given. we have to find how much C is formed. Okay, so I have told you the formula. A, we have to find out 3 moles upon what is the Stern coefficient 2. It will become 1.5 of B. 4 mole upon what is the Stern coefficient 3. It is approx 1.3. Okay, which fraction is lesser number? 1.3. So it will be the limiting reagent. B will be the limiting reagent and A will be the access reagent. Clear? Formation of C will depend on the limiting agent B. So we can write number of moles of B upon what is the Stern coefficient 3, number of moles of C upon what is the Stern coefficient 4. By solving it, we will get the answer 4 upon 3 is equal to Nc upon 4, and the value of Nc will be around 5.3 moles. Okay, so this is the main concept of limiting agent. I hope you understand the concept. It is very easy concept and very important concept according to the board exams and the competitive exams. So if you have any doubt, you can ping me on my WhatsApp channel 9468541627. It is my WhatsApp channel Cam Solution. If you have any doubt regarding any topic, if you need notes, please join the channel, and you can comment on my YouTube videos if you want any new videos of any chapter of chemistry. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.